RiseGuide is marketed as a self-improvement app that helps you become smarter, more confident, and more productive through short daily lessons. But the real question is, does it actually lead to self-improvement, or is it just another motivational app? Now, to be fair, structured self-improvement systems can genuinely help people build better habits and stay consistent. What it does well, easy to stick with. This is one of the biggest positives people mention. The short 10 to 15-minute lessons make the app feel less overwhelming than long courses or books. Good structure for beginners. Many users say the app provides helpful routines, prompts, and exercises that encourage consistency instead of endless passive scrolling. Where it falls short, self-improvement still depends on the user. This is the biggest reality check. An app cannot magically transform someone without real effort and repetition outside the platform. Can create a fake productivity feeling. Several Reddit users point out that short lessons may make people feel productive without necessarily creating deep, long-term change. Content may feel basic for advanced users. If you already consume a lot of self-development material, some lessons may feel repetitive or surface level. So, does RiseGuide actually lead to self-improvement? RiseGuide does not appear to be a fake app. It seems to offer a legitimate structured self-improvement system with decent user engagement and practical habit-building features. The bigger issue is that the marketing can make the results sound much more life-changing than they realistically are. Final verdict. RiseGuide equals useful habit-building tool, not magic self-transformation. If you struggle with consistency and want short daily guidance, it may genuinely help. But if you expect an app to completely change your life on its own, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.